Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got 30 mind-blowing quiz questions that'll test how much you really know about the world. Question 1. Which luxury brand burned unsold items to maintain exclusivity? Is it A. Prada, B. Burberry, or C. Gucci? The answer is B. Burberry. Nice, you're already ahead of the game. Let's see if you can keep that streak going. Question 2. The song Happy Birthday was copyrighted until what year? A. 1998, B. 2010, or C. 2016? It's C. 2016. Wow, you're crushing it. That's some solid trivia knowledge right there. Question 3. What color was the first Oscar award? A. Gold, B. Bronze, or C. Black? The correct answer is B. Bronze. Impressive. You really know your Hollywood history. Question 4. Which actor had a live tiger in his house as a pet? A. Leo DiCaprio, B. Mike Tyson, or C. Michael Jackson? And the answer is B. Mike Tyson. You got it. That's one wild celebrity fact. Question 5. Which car company started by making sewing machines? A. Toyota, B. Mercedes, or C. BMW? The answer is A. Toyota. Awesome, you're on fire with these questions. Question 6. Which is the rarest naturally occurring element on Earth? A. Gold, B. Astatine, or C. Platinum? It's B. Astatine. Fantastic! That's some high-level science knowledge right there. Question 7. Trees talk to each other using what? A. Wind, B. Fungi, or C. Roots? The correct answer is B. Fungi. Brilliant. Nature is absolutely incredible, isn't it? Question 8. A flea can jump how many times its body length? A. 50 times, B. 100 times, or C. 200 times? And it's C. 200 times. Amazing! You're really nailing these tough ones. Question 9. Walt Disney feared which specific animal? A. Snake, B. Mouse, or C. Cat? The answer is B. Mouse. Ironic, right? Great job catching that one. Question 10. Which animal has no lungs and breathes through its skin? A. Frog, B. Salamander, or C. Earthworm? It's C. Earthworm. Excellent. You're halfway through and doing phenomenal. Question 11. On the moon Titan, it rains what substance? A. Water, B. Methane, or C. Acid? The answer is B. Methane. Stellar. Your space knowledge is out of this world. Question 12. Your stomach produces a new lining every how many days? A. 3 days, B. 10 days, or C. 30 days? It's A. 3 days. Incredible. Your body's pretty amazing, huh? Question 13. Which insect can lift 1,141 times its own body weight? A. Ant, B. Beetle, or C. Flea? The correct answer is B. Beetle. Superb. That's one strong little creature. Question 14. How fast does a human sneeze travel? A. 50 miles per hour, B. 100 miles per hour, or C. 200 miles per hour? And it's B. 100 miles per hour. Wow, you're really showing off your knowledge here. Question 15. The first webcam was invented to monitor what? A. Coffee pot, B. Traffic, or C. Weather? It's A. Coffee pot. Perfect. That's such a random but awesome fact. Question 16. The Statue of Liberty was originally intended for which city? A. Paris, B. Cairo, or C. Rome? The answer is B. Cairo. Outstanding. You've got some serious history chops. Question 17. In Canada, some banknotes smell like what? A. Maple syrup, B. Pine, or C. Coffee? It's A. Maple syrup. Classic. You're absolutely killing it. Question 18. If you lived on Jupiter, your day would last how long? A. 10 hours, B. 50 hours, or C. 100 hours? The correct answer is A. 10 hours. Fantastic. You're a true space expert. Question 19. Which candy went to space with astronauts? A. M&M's, B. Snickers, or C. Skittles? And it's A. M&M's. Sweet. You're making this look way too easy. Question 20. Instagram was originally called what name? A. Feed, B. Burn, or C. Snap? The answer is B. Burn. Brilliant. You know your tech history. Question 21. Which bird can see both infrared and ultraviolet light? A. Owl, B. Eagle, or C. Hummingbird? It's C. Hummingbird. Wonderful. Those little birds are full of surprises. Question 22. If two pieces of the same metal touch in space, they do what? A. Melt, B. Explode, or C. Weld? The correct answer is C. Weld. Mind-blowing, right? You're on a roll. Question 23. The Colosseum once had a retractable what? A. Floor, B. Roof, or C. Wall? And it's B. Roof. Spectacular. Ancient Rome was way ahead of its time. Question 24. Apple was founded in a what? A. Garage, B. Office, or C. Basement? It's A. Garage. Perfect. You know your Silicon Valley history. Question 25. In bowling, which pin is the most difficult to hit for a strike? A. Pin 1, B. Pin 7, or C. Pin 10? The answer is B. Pin 7. Impressive. You're a bowling expert too. Question 26. The first Rolex watch to go to space was worn by whom? A. Yuri Gagarin, B. Jim Lovell, or C. Buzz Aldrin? It's B. Jim Lovell. Excellent. You're unstoppable. Question 27. Which director never won an Oscar for Best Director despite many nominations? A. Kubrick, B. Hitchcock, or C. Nolan? The correct answer is B. Hitchcock. Astonishing. You really know your cinema. Question 28. Which country has a unicorn on its national coat of arms? A. Germany, B. Scotland, or C. Russia? And it's B. Scotland. Magical. You're doing phenomenally well. Question 29.
The Amazon logo's arrow points from A to Z to imply what? A. Speed, B. Everything, or C. Smiles? The answer is B. Everything. Genius, you caught that clever design. Question 30. The first Olympic gold medals were made of what? A. Gold, B. Silver, or C. Bronze? It's B. Silver. Incredible, you made it through all 30 questions. Bonus question. What is the official color of the White House? A. White, B. Gray, or C. Beige? Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who gets this bonus one right. Alright, that's a wrap. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to answer that bonus question. If you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. I'll catch you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you soon.